if you want to silence your Google Pixel 10, what you can do is you can enable the silent mode by pressing volume up or down. Once you do that, you will open this volume panel for the media loudness, and you can tap on this speaker over here. You might also have anything else, but most likely you have a speaker. So in order to use the silent mode, we can just tap on this crossed out speaker here. And there we go, calls and notifications will be muted. In addition to that, we also have the Do Not Disturb mode, which can also be used. And in order to find it, you should be able to find it, for example, in notifications or quick settings or control center. And over here we have modes, and we can tap on this minus button in order to turn on or off the Do Not Disturb mode, or you can tap on modes in order to find Do Not Disturb over here. However, Do Not Disturb pretty much prevents any notifications at all. So even if someone calls you, you won't see it unless you notice it, for example, on the status bar where you have notification icons. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.